Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I will tell you how did I go unranked in CA Inter to rank in CA final. I will tell you what kind of mistake I have done during my CA Inter and how did I rectify those mistakes during my CA final. I will tell you the all the tricks or the maybe tips that I have followed during my articleship which ensure that I will ensure rank in CA final. So let's get started. So these are the five things. The first one is better plan to approach different subjects. Second, revision schedule. Third, mock test. Fourth, ICA study material. And fifth, most important, discipline. So guys, talking about the first thing, which is better plan for approaching different subjects. During my CA inter, I didn't have a very good plan or a very practical plan that makes sure that my concepts are completely clear. So that thing was missing during my CA inter. But what I did is that during my CA final, I think that I will take some time, but I will understand the things better, due to which my conceptual clarity would be very good, right? So from the day one of my articleship, I started with the lectures of SFM, and that really helped me in learning the concepts very calmly without any pressure of running in a race to give paper in just 3 to 4 months. So first of all, I did that because I know in the initial month of my articleship nothing practical was coming. It was a very different work, so it can't be applied what I was studying. Secondly, after completing SFM, I approached financial reporting, and financial reporting being one of the very largest subject, it took me nearly 5 to 6 months to complete, because articleship भी होता है, ये भी होता है, so you can't have both the things in full pace with your work. So I was doing it. What was a good thing with financial reporting, that मेरा जो आर्टिकलशिप में डोमेन था एंड जो मेरा काम था, दैट वाज वेरी सिमिलर टू व्हाट आई वाज स्टडिंग इन लेक्चर्स. सो आई वाज एबल टू रिलेट व्हाट आई एम स्टडिंग विद माई प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ, एंड उसकी वजह से इट हेल्प मी अ लॉट फॉर हैविंग अ कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन माई कॉन्सेप्ट्स, राइट. सो मैंने इस तरीके से अप्रोच किया कि जो भी मेरा ऑफिस का और ये भी है, मेरा साथ में सिंक चल रहा है, कोई ओवरलैप नहीं हो रहा. सो दैट वाज अ सिनर्जिकल बेनिफिट फॉर. उसके बाद थर्डली आई अप्रोच आई थिंक जीएसटी, बिकॉज आफ्टर अ ईयर और मे बी 1.5 year आई टुक अ स्विच टू जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ माई articleship firm, and there I thought that I should go with both the things, because मेरे ऑफिस में जीएसटी का काम I was learning and I was also taking the GST lectures, so both the things were going simultaneously. So guys, in the same way I divided the entire thing for the remaining subjects. So if I have to suggest you what you should do, जो अभी आर्टिकलशिप में आपका डोमेन है, लेट्स से मोस्ट ऑफ यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टैक्सेशन, स्टेट ऑडिट. तो स्टेट ऑडिट में मोस्टली यू विल गो थ्रू द फाइनेंशियल्स. सो फाइनेंशियल के लिए स्टार्ट विद द फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग राइट नाउ. Once you will start that, so you will see जो subjects, the topics that you are studying in the lectures, that are also getting practically applied in the real life. So that would be a sync, and accordingly you can build a confidence that you have a good grip on the subjects. So similarly you can follow, just make sure within the span of 2 years now, since the time is 2 years, you complete all the subjects. If not all the subjects, then the bigger subjects like financial reporting, SFM should get completed. So guys, now let's come to point number 2, which is mock test paper. How to approach it and how did I approach it? I will tell you, when I complete a particular topic or a theme of chapters or maybe the complete syllabus, I always used to approach mock test paper. Let's say मैंने आज कोई टॉपिक कंप्लीट किया, उसका सिर्फ लेक्चर्स ही कंप्लीट किए, मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया. Sometimes what I try that in the office when I have time, I just download the mock test papers. I just try to simply solve it, not in a completely full-fledged manner, but I give a approach, but I give a try that I am able to think the structure of that question or not. इसमें क्या चीज़ें निकालनी है, क्या डिस्क्लोज करना होगा, क्या कैलकुलेशन होगा, what are the nitty gritty thing of that particular question. अगर मुझे वो चमक रहा है, then मैंने लेक्चर्स को ढंग से सुना है, एंड अगर ये चीज़ आपके साथ भी हो रही है, then believe me, you are on a very right track, and that I always used to done. जैसे कि फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग के मैंने कोई 5 चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट किए, मे बी या थीम कंप्लीट किया. आई ऑलवेज यूज टू डाउनलोड पेपर्स फ्रॉम मे बी पास्ट टेस्ट पेपर्स या मॉक टेस्ट पेपर्स, मे बी RTPs, एंड आई यूज टू सॉल्व इट कि आंसर ठीक निकल रहा है, अप्रोच क्या है, वेयर डिड आई वेंट रॉन्ग, एंड इफ आई फाउंड आउट दैट देन इट्स वेरी गुड. एंड द सेम थिंग आई ऑलवेज फॉलोड फॉर एवरी सब्जेक्ट. मैंने जिस सब्जेक्ट का जो भी टॉपिक कंप्लीट किया, मे बी अ थीम, सो आई गो फॉर देयर मॉक टेस्ट पेपर्स एंड डू इट. In the same way, you should also plan to do it. That will really help you in boosting your confidence, and that will help you in scoring rank as well. Because आप जितनी जल्दी mock test paper को देखना स्टार्ट कर दोगे, you will also get to know कि किस तरीके से solution, disclosures, ये सब दिखाना पड़ता है उसमें. So you will get used to it. And in the last 1 year, what you can do, you can polish your solutions. Because now you know कि क्या लिखना है. But now you will find out how to polish your solutions, how to sharpen your answers, कि कोई लूज पॉइंट ना छोड़े कि उसका डबल इंटरप्रिटेशन निकल रहा है. बिकॉज रैंक और नॉन रैंक में यही फर्क है, बिकॉज यू राइट योर आंसर सो वेल कि जो बाकी के बंदे नहीं लिख पाते हैं बस. एंड वंस यू हैव कमांड ऑन हाउ टू राइट, व्हाट टू राइट, देन no one is going to stop you from scoring a rank. So guys, now let's come to third point, which is revision. How did I plan my revisions very effectively? So that's a very, and I think that's a very fair and important question. So what I used to do is that when I complete lectures during my 5 days work days, I always used to secure a 4 to 5 hours of time on weekend, because मैंने 2 साल on the weekend of my articleship I never went out to have fun. I have always devoted my time to watch lectures and complete the syllabus. So yes guys, that's how I revised my entire syllabus during my articleship period, because I had no things to do apart from these things on weekend. So if I have to summarize these things for you, what you can do is that after completing maybe let's say 4 to 5 chapters, maybe in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you should block a weekend just to revise, see that what you have studied so far, how much you are able to recall or not. So that's how you can follow the same subject for all the lectures. So guys, now let's come to tip number 4, which is following ICI study material. आई थिंक जितना मैंने सी ए फाइनल और सी ए इंटर के बच्चों से बात किया, एंड द मिस्टेक दैट आई हैव सीन फ्रॉम देम is that they don't follow the study material. They have always followed some other notes and all, and जिसकी वजह से they got distracted about the keywords, the language that they should use while writing the paper. So my point is very simple. अगर आपने day 1 से स्टडी मटेरियल को फॉलो किया है, देन आपको एग्जाम में वही लैंग्वेज आपके माइंड में घूमेगा, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू कैन गेट कमांड. अगर आप एग्जाम से 2 महीने पहले वो बुक खोल के देखोगे, सो इट वुड बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. सो जस्ट टू बी वेरी सिंपल एंड फेयर, फ्रॉम द डे 1 ऑफ योर लेक्चर्स आप टीचर्स के नोट्स को पढ़ो, उससे पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट समझो, बट जब उसको आगे सेकेंड रिविजन या फर्स्ट रिविजन की चांस आए, फॉलो ICI की बुक्स ओनली. दैट शुड बी योर बाइबल. अगर वो फॉलो किया, देन बिलीव मी, नो वन इज गोइंग टू स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम बीइंग पास. एंड अगर आपने उसको और अच्छे से फॉलो किया, आप जितनी बार उस बुक को पढ़ोगे उतना ही आपके चांसेस ऑफ स्कोरिंग मोर मार्क्स वुड बी हायर एंड हायर. सो दैट वॉज वन ऑफ द थिंग really helped me in passing all the levels of CA in just one attempt. So guys, now comes a very important point, which is how to keep discipline during your CA articleship. Most people say कि यार बहुत लंबा टाइम लगता है, that's a long working hours and we don't get time to study at home. Yeah, I think that's the same case for everyone, that is not only with you, and it depends from person to person कि आप किस तरीके से मैनेज करते हो. You need to pull all nighter sometime, you need to stretch yourself, and that is true in every case. चाहे काम हो या पर्सनल लाइफ भी हो, अगर कुछ अर्जेंट है, कुछ बड़ा काम करना है, इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ डिफरेंस, देन ओनली यू कैन डू इट व्हेन यू हैव द स्ट्रॉन्ग डेडिकेशन इन योरसेल्फ. If you don't have that, then you can't score it. You can't score rank, or you can't achieve your desired dreams. So what I will say that आपका चाहे जो भी टाइम है, but you need to define your targets for every month, every week, कि आपको क्या क्या lectures complete करना है, and you should find your time. What I used to do, अगर मैं night में बहुत ज़्यादा tired हूँ, I am not able to putting down my energy or time to watch it, then I make sure that मैं morning में जल्दी उठ के I watch the lectures. That was my goal, that my time. एंड यू शुड ऑल्सो हैव दैट कि अगर मेरा चलो वर्क डेज पे नहीं हो पा रहा, बट वीकेंड यू शुड कम्प्लीटली डिवोट in watching the lectures and completing your syllabus. And if you don't have that, then it is very very difficult. Because what I have seen from people, from friends also, they have always make sure कि जब भी वो घर आए कम से कम 1-1.5 घंटे का लेक्चर देखें, they revise the thing and that's the trick. That's it. अगर आपने ये लगातार 2 साल 3 साल भी आपने किया, then you can see the change in yourself. If you will keep continuing doing the same thing for 2 or 3 years, you become the master, and that's how you can do it. So guys, that's about it. These are the 5 tips that helped me during my CA articleship to my CA final journey, जिसकी वजह से आई थिंक दैट वाज द मेजर थिंग दैट हेल्प मी इन स्कोरिंग अ रैंक. बाकी तो यार सब कुछ सिलेबस से में, बुक से में, कोई डिफरेंट बुक्स नहीं होती हैं. जस्ट जो मैंने फॉलो किया, आई टोल्ड यू दैट. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस, please feel free to drop your queries in the comment section. I would be happy to address all of them. So stay tuned, stay connected. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.